Nigeria, Adamawa, English for the place. I beg to stand on the existing protocol already established by previous speakers. As previously introduced, my name is Prof.Mgbeke Salihu, PhD, Esquire. I am a lawyer, political analyst, and also a security expert. I hold a PhD in security studies and LLB and PL. Also a practicing lawyer. I want to first of all express our sincere gratitude to God Almighty that present us this opportunity to gather here today. I also want to show our sincere appreciation as people to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for providing the platform and the enabling environment for us to move around, to consult with our people, and also to have a platform to contest on. Thanks also goes to the National Security Advisor for assisting the President in providing security all over and also providing guidance for the party and myself. And also, our big thank you, myself, my family, the campaign structure, and the people of Adamawa State goes to the architect of modern Adamawa State, His Excellency, Right Honorable Madagali, as I fondly call him, the Destiny's Child. Madagali has created a very bright shoe for anybody who is coming as a governor to fill. We can see the landmark and gigantic progress he made in the space of 7 years. This kind of progress that you often see in a developed nation, given the fact that we are a third world nation and the progress is very slow. Madagali did not work on only our material culture, but we also work on our non-material culture. The change of attitude of the people of Adamawa State is apparent. Hence, the infrastructure development. He has touched on all facets of life, ranging from education, health, social welfare, security, and all other aspects you can think of agriculture and the likes. So anybody that is coming as a governor, he has a bonus already. Prof.Mgbeke has given you a head start over and above all other governors in other states in Nigeria, including Lagos. They used to call Adamawa a rural state. But now, every small opportunity I have, I bring my friends. So much so that I can display the developmental progresses we have in Adamawa State and try to compare with other states. For this, we say a big thank you to Prof.Mgbeke. I'm glad to see my people today, the people of Madagali local government. Culturally, we are cousins. I don't know whether it's Timber like an extension of Marigi or Marigi like an extension of Timber. I don't know which one is which. For the purpose of this exercise, we agreed to be extension. Thank you very much, people of Madagali, for this warm reception. I've met with the traditional institution and I've discussed progressive endeavors that we are planning with the governor already, that we will discuss in a month or two regarding security, agriculture, and social welfare within Madagali local government. And this program will commence very soon. And so also, it will be done under the watch of the governor and with strict observance of myself, so much so that by the time I'm able to clinch the ticket and win the general election, I'm able to continue with what Governor Ahmadu is doing. As we speak, I'm like an intern learning work, an apprentice learning work under the tutelage of Governor Ahmadu, so much so that I'll be able to surpass or meet up with what he has laid down in Adamawa. Jama'a assalamu alaikum. Domin muna da wani lokaci ina son tsaya kan matakan gaisuwa wanda muka riga muka kaddamar. Sunana kuma Mr. Salihu PhD Esquire. Soja ne, sannan ina da digiri da dingirewa. First degree, masters and PhD.